Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to do the tutorial of my previous video. I had done a beauty room tour and I thought it was a good idea for me to do a tutorial on that eye look because you guys kept commenting on how you guys wanted to see a tutorial on it. Some people were like, please tell me you did a tutorial on this look, and I felt so bad because I didn't, and I feel like I should have, because normally I did this makeup look while I was just kind of sitting down listening to music, because sometimes that's when I get kind of like creative and just feel like a vibe. I do my makeup looks. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna sit down here and do the tutorial for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this look, and if you guys have not seen my beauty room tour, it's gonna be linked down below if you guys want to check it out. It's also the video previous to this video, so if you guys want to check it out there. Before we start, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, want to be part of my little family, make sure you guys are subscribed and hit that bell notification to know when I post another new video. And also, if you guys like this video, make sure you guys share it with your friends and family, just in case you guys like, oh my god, you guys check this girl out, oh my god, she's so funny. I'm not actually funny. Sometimes I try to be funny, but it doesn't work that way. Let's just go ahead and get started. I already did my base off camera. If you guys want a tutorial of how I've been doing my base lately, I could do that for you guys, only if you guys want it. So make sure you guys comment down below if you guys are interested to see it. But today I'm going to be focusing on the eyes. So that's why I already did my base. I'm going to go ahead and add concealer. This is the Urban Decay concealer. And I'm going to just add this as my base right now. And this is just going to be like blended out, nothing too crazy. And this is just going to be like the base of it. I also want to say thank you guys for being so sweet on the comments for my beauty room tour. I was kind of like, not that I was scared or nervous to post it, but I thought nobody really cared for it. I mean, like, I don't know if you guys care for it, but I thought it was a really good idea to show you guys like how tiny my room is and how my beauty room is. I only have like this and then this. That's all I got. So, you know, I just wanted to show you guys. I feel like I want to open up a little bit more about me to you guys, just a tad bit, you know, just whatever I can. But that's a start. For my eyes, I am going to be using the Pure Cosmetics and Raw Beauty Crease palette. I love this one because look at all these browns. Like, what? These are all just so good. So I'm going to be going in with this shade right over here and just kind of putting that all over my lid. But basically not over. I'm just going to place it on the outer corner right here and just slowly start blending that in and packing that all over the lid. And I kind of want to also do like a little V kind of vibe here and not smoke it out like a circle, and just kind of focus it on the outer part like this. And I'm packing this even on the inside part. I'm just putting this all over the lid. As you guys can see, I'm creating that shape that we're looking for and just adding like a big winged out shadow. Make sure that you match the side as well. And I'm going a little bit over my crease. So you guys can see I'm going a little bit over, not too much. Now that that's done, I'm going to go in with the same shade, which is Copper Boxes right here. And I'm going to be using that to add it to the bottom lash line and just kind of blend that in together. Mia, you have to go, girl. Like, you cannot be here. Oh, go. Bye. Okay, she's always getting on the table when I'm filming. Okay, so the next one is going to be this shade right over here. And it's going to be the shade B, which is a darker shade. And that is what I'm going to be using to add a little bit more dimension to the outer corner and the inner corner of this eye look. So I want to add this and kind of stamp it in right over here in the inner corner. Do you guys see what I'm doing there? And just kind of make it a little bit more darker. Like that. Do you guys see what I'm doing there? And it's just kind of adding a little bit more dimension to this eye shape. Okay, so basically that's what we're doing. And we're slowly going to start kind of mapping it right here where the crease kind of starts. And kind of stamping it there and blending it out and creating that little shaped wing eye. You could also start slowly blending it out if you feel like you need to blend it out. We're gonna concentrate it also on the outer corner to kind of like wing it out, but also connecting it to the lower lash line. So that's how you're gonna start getting it, like that, just slowly but surely. But you also have to go make sure that you're blending it out so the line doesn't look too harsh and the colors blend together. And you also want to make sure that you're using like a really dense like packer brush for this. Oh, don't mind this broken nail, don't look at it. Let's do this packer brush right here, so you can kind of like be able to control where the shadow is gonna be placed. Like that, it's easier for you. So we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing on this eye, and we're gonna bring that shade all the way into the inner corner as well. So now I'm going to be using the House Laboratories. This is their eyeliner in, I think, Whiskey. And it's like a brown eyeliner. And I'm going to be using this to add a little bit more dimension to the inner corner. And just kind of like add like, I have something here, I don't know what it is. And we're going to use this to add a little bit of like a winged out little inner corner here. And just kind of using this. So it looks like this. It's just gonna make it look more like of a cat eye, elongate that inner corner. Now to add a little bit of that pop of color that I liked a lot, and it was like my last minute choice when I did this makeup look, I'm going in with Kaleidos. You guys need to try this brand. It is so good. I just got this palette. This is their Club Nebula, and it looks like this. Look at all these colors. They just look stunning. I feel like these are all shimmers, like the ones that you guys can't really see, but they're shimmers right there. But they're just so beautiful. So I'm going to be using this palette. This is the Futurism 5 Electro Turquoise. And I'm going to be using this shade right here. I'm going to be using this shade right here. And I'm going to be using that for the inner corner, like the pop of inner corner. So we're going to be packing that in and adding this right over here. Kind of packing that in and just letting the pigment stay in that inner corner. We're not really going to blend that out like that, and it's going to make it look stand out even more. And it looks like this. I feel like I just really like this color. It's so like retro, which I like a lot. So basically the eye look is done. I'm going to go ahead and put some lashes. These lashes are the Style Iconic from House of Lashes. I love these style lashes. They're so cute. So I'm going to go ahead and put some mascara on and put some lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. So we're going to go in with lips today. So I have been doing this combo and I love it. It is going to be this e.l.f. Cosmetics. I'm obsessed with these Retro Paradise lip liners. I think they still have it in the website, so if you guys want to check it out, I'm going to be leaving a link down below, because it came with this one and a darker nude lip, like a nude color, which is like a more brown. And I like it because I like to use this like on my Cupid's bow and a little bit under my lips, and like that makes it seem like if I have bigger lips, like fuller lips. So I really like this. I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is a Retro Paradise. This is their lip liner. I think this is number 2. I think it goes by numbers, and this is number 2. So we're going to go ahead and line this up. And now I'm going to go in with the House Laboratories, the Le Monster Matte Lip Crayons in the shade Dust. I'm like obsessed, you guys. You guys know I'm obsessed. So we're going to go in with this one now. Do you guys see how fuller my lips look? So good. So now I'm going to go in with my favorite highlighter right now. It's going to be the Milk Makeup. This is in the shade Flex, and it's so good. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight really quick and just kind of add it a little bit here. And that is the final look, guys. Ooh, I did this for you guys because you guys wanted a tutorial on this eye look. So thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart if you guys watched it till the end. Thank you guys again. And if you guys like this look, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and a comment down below. And that's it. That's the end of the video, guys. Thank you guys so much. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.